Alright, as I knew it, they were gonna be late. I just got my catering. Good morning. So I'm going to get this catering right here. It is early and raining.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
Alright, as I knew it, they were going to be late. I just got my catering.
In about 6 miles, turn right onto East 35th Street North.
Catering came in a bunch of individual, what do you call these little platter containers? I got a bunch of individual bags. I put 4 and 4 catering bags. So was that 16 bags, and then I got an additional 8 or 12 that I could put in bags because I ran out of bags. So probably an additional 6 or 7, I don't know. Anyway, it took them all that time to finish it. Mad because I got a $44 roadie order out west that I can't click that I ride because it's stupid. This freaking Home Depot. You can't click your ride. You gotta be there. And I remember in the past, as long as you were moving, you were safe. But they gonna drop me from this order. I gotta get to this location. I gotta give them all these bags. That's gonna take a while. I don't have to set up. I could drop the bags and go if I could get it done. I just hate to drive out there, get as close as I can, and then have it be taken away from me. Nah, I'm driving like 6 miles away. Then I gotta head out west. And as you can see, if you can see it, it's dark. It's a raining day. So, making my way to my delivery. See you later. Alright, I'm back. Just dropped off.
What? Oh my God!
I just dropped off the catering. So I am literally speeding to get to the west side for my Home Depot pickup. Wish me luck, y'all. Here I go. Almost there, baby.
2 hours later.
Yes! Yes, y'all, I got it. I made it. Boy, your boy was driving. I was pushing 72 in the rain.
Oh, tight, yeah!
I made it. I made it, man.
Made it, man! Top of the world!
Shit. What is this? I can't see. Something small. Alright, that's what I got. This long plastic thing. And thank goodness for me, it's first. Alright, I'm a mile and a quarter away. My first drop off. This big plastic thing in my car. Alright, got that done. Look at all the space I got now. Alright. See you at the drop, at the pickup for Lowe's. And then I'll be dropping this off at Home Depot, from the Home Depot later. Alright, I'm off to do my last delivery from Lowe's. I just dropped off from Home Depot, my last delivery. I just dropped off my Lowe's order. And that was a long
Starting route to 17.7
conversation.
North Main.
So I'm about to drop this off. It is nasty out here, baby. It is 9:27. PetSmart already jumping off with their cheap orders.
At the light, turn right
Long
on
miles.
Broadway Avenue.
So I'm gonna drop this off. I'm gonna go home, relax. Of course, you know I'm gonna be looking for some more orders. What was that? Oh, the
In
tree.
1 mile, turn left onto East 63rd Street South.
So I might put in for some. I may be putting in for some spark orders. So. Anyway, thanks for riding with me. I ain't recording this drop. It was nice. Like, share, subscribe. See you later.